All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about AMP token. And yeah, guess what? There's lots of good stuff going on. We got a new list going on with AMP token. We got a new partnership going on with AMP token. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter account, check it out, do a little price prediction when we're done. Also, we're going to talk about Piston Token launching on Sunday. So that's going to be happening on the 3rd. So we're going to talk about Piston Token a little bit. And then also your side hustles. Gas prices are still really high. Food prices are still really high. Side hustles, TaskRabbit. We're going to talk about TaskRabbit a little bit. Doing side hustles, making all kinds of extra money on the side with TaskRabbit. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Piston's a cryptocurrency project. We'll talk about that. All right, everybody, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, AMP token is at number 84. We're going to blow this up a little bit here. It is up 5% in the last 7 days. Fantastic news. It's up 24, almost 2% in the last 24 hours. Almost 2%. Being traded at 0.27. Clicking it. All right, over here to the right, AMP token is up almost 2%. It's being traded at 0.27, almost 3 cents. So we got some fantastic things going on in the last 24 hours right here. Take a look at that. That's looking awesome. And also in the last 7 days, it's going up, up, up. So a lot of good stuff going on with AMP. Now, what is going on with AMP? Well, right here, bing, 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 we got a new list. AMP token is listed on HUOBI Global. Yep, look at that. So now it says new listing on HUOBI. AMP token deposits are open. Start trading today. Checking it out over here. HUOBI Global will list AMP starting March 31st. Do value users. A scheduled list of AMP token on March 31st. AMP deposits will be open at 12:30. The AMP spot trading, AMP/USDT, will open with deposits to be met. Please note the key thing here is now there's another place where everybody who uses this platform can actually get the AMP token. I just think that's fantastic. We got a new list right here. Hey, hit that like button while we're here. All right, and besides the new list, take a look at this, Undo Finance. If you have any questions about our recent partnership with AMP Token, look no further than our latest Medium post where we will cover what is AMP, what is FRAC as a service, and the different fees. AMP has joined a FRAC as a service. AMP to utilize FRAC as a service for Undo Finance. AMP has joined FRAC as a service to establish a brand new 20 million, remember this is big, FRAC/AMP liquidity pool on Uniswap. Yep, more awesome stuff. What does it say? AMP to utilize FRAC as a service, Undo Finance. AMP has joined FRAC as a service. $20 million FRAC/AMP liquidity pool, Uniswap. How did this happen? This will be the deepest AMP liquidity pool on the DEX. AMP will provide 10 million worth of AMP to the Undo Vault, and FRAC providing the stablecoin side as a pair. What is AMP token? For the new viewers on the channel that don't know, AMP is a universal collateral token designed to facilitate fast and effective transfers for any real-world application. When using AMP as collateral, transfer and value as guaranteed can settle instantly when underlying asset reaches final settlement. A process can be taken away from the seconds to days. AMP is held in escrow by collateral manager. Once a transaction successfully settles, the AMP collateral is released and made available to the collateral as another transfer. AMP exists to serve as a universal collateral for anyone in any project. So lots of good stuff going on with the AMP token, just both of those. Their new partnership with Undo Finance and a new list on HUOBI Global. Fantastic stuff. All right, over here at the website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like algo with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. There's a couple things you can do with the AMP. You can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, and of course you can repeat. What happens when you stake the AMP, you ask? Yep, AMP is an extensible platform collateralized asset transfer. By staking AMP, any form value exchange can be guaranteed. digital payments, fiat currency, exchanges, loan distributions, property sales, and more. Once you stake it, then you come over and you send it. Once the stake AMP is ready to collateralize a transfer. With the use of collateral pools, AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of assets transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network and any real-world application. Then, of course, you repeat. AMP also simplifies the network reward distribution once a transfer is complete. The AMP smart contracts offers a variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro distribution and continuous compounding. Fantastic. So we got new lists going on, new partnerships going on, AMP tokens up 5%, all kinds of good stuff. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, what about the Piston token? Launch on Sunday. Dun, 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 dun. It's kind of like a drip network. Get 1% back. Let's go ahead and head over to Piston. All right, over here at Piston Token, piston/token.com. Get ready, the race season. The race season is about to start. We will launch the pre-sale claim Piston contract Pancake Swap Exchange support. What does it say? It's coming up here. Pancake Swap Exchange. So token will be available on Pancake Swap. So you're going to need to go ahead and do that. Pancake Swap's going to be open an hour before the actual on the website here. Tokens and raise. The token, Piston token. So token to run the ecosystem, fully tradable and available to everyone. The roadmap, they've already did a couple pre-sales. One's already ended. The second one was already ended. The third one, April 3rd, we got the race, the claim, the swap, and the PCS. You know, over here at the white paper, Piston token, when a user deposits PSTN to add fuel to their gas tank, they receive 1% daily return for up to 365% of the amount in the tank. The amount is calculated including new tokens deposit as well as tokens compounding using nitro buttons. So this one's going to be pretty cool. How to use the R race. So they're going to go through like how you can do everything. All I know is I'm just doing a little recap real quick. This is kind of like a drip network. You can get 365% back. It launches on Sunday. Keep an eye on it for sure. Again, you can get it on Pancake Swap an hour before the actual launch on the Piston. All right, AMP token, Piston token, launching Sunday. I don't know. It could be a good one and stuff like that. You heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner. Do all your homework. Do all your own research. All this is for educational purposes only. I'm going to actually get involved in the Piston. I tried to do the two pre-sales. Both of them sold out like within a minute, and I was right there when it started, and I still didn't get it. And I actually did my Diamond Team V2 in order to do it, but it just didn't happen. No big deal. So we're going to do it again on Sunday, letting everybody know about it. All right, last thing. If you're trying to do different crypto projects, you're trying to, basically beat the gas prices, beat the groceries are higher right now. How can you do it? That's right, TaskRabbit. It's kind of like an Uber or DoorDash, but you're doing tasks. Let's head on over and check it out. All right, over here at TaskRabbit, your house deserves better. So here we go, looking at it from popular projects in your area. So if you're good at assembling tables and desks, the project is an average about $52 to $125. Mounting a TV or mirrors, about $57 to $114. Moving boxes via truck, that project, look at right here, is about $59 to $135. Cleaning bathrooms and kitchens, says $63 to $150. Now this one, I don't even know if they could pay you because some people would just do this for their aromatherapy. But planting flowers, average project pays about $54 to $143. Over here to the left, lift the furniture upstairs, $48 to $103. Office home delivery, fixing a running toilet. So there you go on that. Everyday life made easier. When life gets busy, you don't have the time to tackle it alone. Get time back and do what you love to do without breaking the bank. Choose your tasker by reviews. Schedule when it works for you as early as today. Chat, pay, tip, and review all through one platform. Like right here is Joanne. She's been a tasker since 2015. So here's some feature taskers. So, just to give you an idea, here's Jeffrey, and here's Andrew, and we'll go on the ends here. Jeffrey, his help moving, when he moves, he averages around $41 an hour. He also does their home repair area. He averages about $37 an hour. And furniture assembly, he averages $35. Now over here, Andrew, he likes to do home repairs, averages around $70 an hour. help the moving is about $82 an hour, and delivery about $41 an hour. A go-to team at your fingertips. Build your team. A local background checks. Taskers with help for all kinds of things, life and whatever you're looking for. So, it's nice that you can kind of check that. And then, here we go. They got all the different areas: Chicago, Miami, Baltimore, Charlotte, Austin, Texas, Seattle, Charles. So just bringing this out to the channel. TaskRabbit. Go look it up today. Sign up. Become a member of TaskRabbit. Maybe you can do this. Now, how did I find out about this? I actually read an article of a college student who was making about $130 a day part-time, putting together things and hanging mirrors and TVs. He got out of graduated from college, went full-time, started making $10,000 to $14,000 a month with TaskRabbit. So bringing it to the channel, check it out. Bell icon, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to AMP Token, do a little price prediction. Good things going on with HUOBI being listed right there in a partnership with Undo Finance. All right, over here at AMP Token, again, what's our price prediction? It's at 0.27. I think AMP Token, it's already up about 5%. I think it could get to 0.29. Keep your eyes on it, but there's a lot of things going on right this second. Do your own homework. All our information is for that educational purposes only. How do you like seeing all this green over here? Look at this. HOT right below it is up 33%. AMP Token is up 6%. Cardano right above it is up 1%, and Mina right above that is up 11%. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can learn about Splassive. Today, we'll also do a link in the bottom for Piston Token if you want to check that out on Sunday. Do all your own homework, and we will see you a little bit later on today.